Hey guys, so I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we have some good news from prepaid phone news .com. I think these are good news, and I'll explain why and give you my opinion. And let's go with it. So today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless. Like I said, check them out. But I don't know. Some people might sound bad, but I'll tell you why I think this sounds good. So it says Cricket Wireless turns over corporate-owned stores to dealers, guys. So as you guys know, a lot of prepaid carriers like Metro and Boost Mobile, they're dealer owned. I didn't even know Cricket Wireless had corporate owned stores, but like I said, I guess they're turning them over to dealer stores, and I'll tell you, like I said, why I think that's good. It says Cricket Wireless has undergone a shift in the way it does its business. Instead of offering its products through brick and mortar stores, the AT&T owned prepaid brand has shifted to a 100% authorized retail model. It says this means that you can now purchase its phones and services through dealers. The shift into business models was done by the brand due to change in buying behavior around COVID. It says Cricket decided to accelerate its decision to close our company-owned stores. They were a very small portion of the raw portfolio. With this change, Cricket now has about 4,400 authorized retailers operating as Cricket brand's stores. This is a far cry from the 2 Cricket operating stores that were spotted by Wave 7 Research on the start of November. So, wow. In addition to shutting down its company-owned stores, Cricket and AT&T Prepaid have exited Best Buy. Wow. Their SIM cards can still be purchased and activated with unlocked phones at the retailer. This change means that you can buy Cricket products and services online and at a Walmart and Target. So basically, they're saying that due to COVID, they had to shut some stores down, especially corporate owned. And now they're focusing more on like Walmarts and Targets. Best Buy, I think, was a big market for them, but of course they exited that. And like I said, they're just trying to take less loss on it. Now you might be saying, wow, they're closing some stores, corporate owned stores. What's up with that? Well, like I said, they're saying they're due to COVID, it's probably, low traffic going into stores. So a lot of people are more buying online. It's less riskier for Cricket Wireless to stay at a Walmart, where Walmart's, they're paying the rent and everything. Yeah, it's costing probably Cricket some money to have their presence at a Walmart. It's not just free to have, a product at a Walmart. Think about how many people walk through a Walmart. I mean, a lot of people are going through Walmart now. Target too. Target's another big player. I'd say Walmart and Target are probably the 2 big players. Like I said, I thought Best Buy was, but I mean, guess not. But like I said, basically, and also Cricket Wireless and other retailers like Total Wireless or other prepaid carriers like Total Wireless, Boost Mobile, even they have like a special relationship with like Walmart's where you can get bonus data. So if you buy a phone through, let's say, Boost Mobile, you get a plan through there. Instead of them offering you, 5 gigs, they'll offer you 6 gigs of data. Same thing, Total Wireless does this a lot. Instead of you getting 5 gigs, it will give you 6 gigs of data. Like I said, it's just, with this, I'm hoping that Cricket Wireless is going to give you better promotions, and I have seen them finally this year, you guys. Because if you guys know, Cricket Wireless has never gave discounts on iPhones or anything like that. This year, they finally started giving discounts. I think they're finally realizing that if people want to switch over to your company, you have to give them something enticing to do it. It's kind of like fishing, let's say Cricket and every other prepaid carrier and postpaid carrier, whoever, they'll throw out a line, but the one that has the juiciest worm or the juiciest bait, you're going to go towards that. So if Cricket Wireless is having $200 off iPhone 12, let's say, and Boost and Metro by T-Mobile don't, most people are going to go where they're going to save the most money and get the better deal. People are trying to save money and get deals right now, and that's probably what's happening. People are probably just tired of not getting deals, and that's probably where this is heading. Like I said, they're cutting costs, with a brick and mortar, which is great. Like I said, everybody has a Walmart near them. It probably costs them a lot more money to open up a Cricket and then hope that it's going to do really good. Here in my town, there's 1, 2, maybe 3 Crickets around me. They're all authorized agents, which is great. They're not, I don't think, maybe one's corporate, if that. I believe they're all agents, to tell you the truth. Not too sure I'm really, use Cricket, but still, it's important news for you guys. Like I said, a lot of people are relocating right now. I know the Boost Mobile here in my town, same thing. They're closing one store. They're not really closing it, they're moving it, but there's probably the traffic's so low, Like I said, Boost Mobile, they're doing pretty good. They're trying to bring in the low cost entry with a $10 and $15 plans, offering 2 gigs or like 4 gigs with double the data right now. So it's just a tough time right now, honestly, and people are probably waiting for that second stimulus check to hit. But I don't know, guys. What do you guys think about that? I mean, they have 4,400 authorized retailers operating as Cricket brand stores. I think that's plenty. Yeah, they could probably do better, but if this leads to Cricket Wireless giving the customer better deals, better discounts on phones, because like I said, you can check, and a lot of other people have talked about Cricket never giving discounts on phones, unlike Boost Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile. Man, Boost and Metro really are trying to get as many customers as they can, and they're just slinging out deals, man. So it is what it is, So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And hey, if you want to support the channel, you can by being a member. You will check that out in the description below. And you can also check out Honey. Honey's a free web browser extension. I'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Cricket, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below, guys. So check it out. Once you download it, it's totally free. Find your best discount codes. And like I said, once you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission. Well, that'll help out with the channel and everything. So thank you, guys.